What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video. Man, it's been a long weekend, man. My apologies, but you know, sometimes you just got to take a couple days off, regroup your root, and get right back into it, man. So without further ado, man, welcome to a new wave of everything's regular videos, man. I appreciate everybody tuning in, because without you guys, man, none of this stuff would be possible. But in the meantime, man, we got a garage full of bikes, man. We've been trying all weekend to get these bikes shipped out, so hopefully this week all three of those bikes will be gone. As for the 2020, man, we are just about sold out. Pretty much literally like less than 50 spots left, man. So if you guys haven't entered for my 2020 Road Glide special, head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy your wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, it's morning, it's Monday, and we got the truck running back there, man. So you guys already seen the title. We on our way to go pick up a 2010 CVO Harley. Looks like it's little to no damage, or else I wouldn't have bought it, but cheap bike. So let's go check it out, man. Let's hop on this road and everything. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's load up the truck and get out of here now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, we done finally made it up to IAA. It's time to pick up this CVO. You see him looking at me in the back like, what are you doing? But yep, we're here, man. Let's get up in here and get our paperwork situated so we can load up. All right, man. We out here getting this bike loaded up. Loaded up. That was a long, quick drive, if that makes sense. I'm excited. What's up, man? He ain't say what's up to me, y'all. He like, man, I'm tired, dog. I don't even really feel like talking, man. But yeah, we about to get our stuff situated, get ready to load up and get up out of here. All right, man, we got our straps ready to go. Got these trucks with the auction cars. Now I'm looking into like getting auction cars again, man. It's been a while. This would be something dope. Definitely my flavor. But we gonna see if we can find something decent like that, man. That one look pretty cool all around. They even got a motorcycle on that joint, but probably gonna be the last motorcycle we pick up for a while, guys. We gotta clear everything out our garage. Then we'll get into some cars or something soon, but we'll see, man. Just a thought for now. Alrighty, guys, it's coming out. I see it way over yonder. You guys see it right here? It is coming out. Time to get that thing loaded up, dog. Alrighty, guys, man, we had to move the truck and some more. Here we go. 2010 Harley CVO. Ooh, I like the way that rhymed. With the Bassani pipes on them things. Okay. Flame gang. I'm liking this already, man. Got the tour pack. All right. Okay, look like it needed just a fresh wash or some. See, it look good under these clouds. That light make everything perfect. Alrighty, 2010. Doesn't look like too much damage. Crash bar. Other than that, looks to be pretty fair. We about to strap this thing up before it gets too crowded up in here. Try to hit the road back, because this thing is gonna look nice on the pictures. I thought it was black. It's like a grayish, more so like a grayish colored in red, man. I'm loving it. What y'all think about it so far? Got the Screaming Eagle 110 on that bad boy. Color matched interfering. Got some GPS there, and we got the tour pack, of course. So we're gonna pull this thing up, get it right, get it strapped in, and make sure we got everything before we take off, man. So let's load up. Alrighty, guys, we got her all loaded up, strapped up, ready to go. That color scheme looks really good. So far, it looks so good. A few minor scratches here and there, but nothing too crazy at all. Got our tour pack, found the keys and everything, man. So let's go ahead and head to the house so we can hurry up and get back before it gets too dark. Maybe we can get this thing a wash today. Take it off the truck. You know, I don't care too much for the tour pack, but we're gonna see what it's gonna look like when I get done with it. Throw my little 1-2 on it, man. So let's see what's good. Alrighty, man. Y'all remember this was like the last gas station we got the CVO from. Well, we went to when we got the last CVO from IAI at the same IAI, same gas station, different CVO. But does look good on the back, man. We filling this thing on up, dog. But I can't wait. That red and black does look fire. I think it might even look better with some black wheels on there, but we'll see where we go with it. Alrighty, guys, we have finally made it to the car wash. Now, this is probably gonna be the last time we ever come to this car wash, just because this is, I think this is the last day they have it open, or whatever they call it. But meanwhile, we are about to get this thing cleaned up. Y'all see the dirt and everything everywhere on this bike. So much dirt and everything. We gotta have this thing shining before we bring it into the garage. So I'm sure this first wash is gonna bring this thing back to life, and it's gonna make it a whole lot brighter. Can't wait. So you guys already know what time it is, man. If y'all haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below, dog. Alrighty, guys, got that thing cleaned up. You guys can already low-key see the shine on it already. I see my reflection. Let's see what it look like in that sun, man. I can't wait to get to the house. Can't wait. Definitely gonna need some chrome treatment on here, but we'll get to that when we get to the crib, man. Let's go. Alrighty, we done finally made it. Let's see that first bit of ooh-wah. Okay. Ooh, wee. Wow. That thing is bright, dog. Wow, that is sick. That's a sick color scheme. Yeah, now you can appreciate it, man. Let's hurry up and get this thing offloaded. I can't wait now. Alrighty, man, we can finally check this thing out, guys. We got it offloaded, got it here to the crib. It's looking pretty good. Take a close up on this fender. Kind of bent that on the truck. I ain't gonna even hold you, but it probably was no good anyway. Just wasn't that pointy in the front. But we can. Got a little scrape right there. Crash bar is totally whooped, so the crash bar definitely took all the damage gladly. So you take a look. Does look pretty good, I guess. Does need some does need that chrome effect, man. I need to put my little chrome cleaner on this joint and get to work with the scrubber and all that. Bring this chrome to life. Had that thing shining. Now, these chrome wheels is cool. However, I think those black wheels, these wheels right here look way more sick. So I think I'm gonna put them on there eventually. But it's a 2010 CVO Ultra Classic. It's got the Bassani pipes, the dual Bassani pipes, because if we come up here, this pipe is working, so that's pretty dope. Got the flames with the blue trim, gray bottom. Does look black when it's dirty, but It is like a nice dark gray, which is really cool. Got the tour pack on here. That's pretty fresh. Pretty fresh, man. Let me know what y'all think about it so far in the comments below, dog. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up even better. I mean, it does look better than it did already, but y'all know my style. Gonna probably lose the tour pack, at least take it off, make it a little bit more my flavor, man, and see how we can change this thing up real quick. But in the meantime, I guess we can start taking off the broken parts, like the little crash bar there, and you know, get it looking like something, man. So gonna set y'all up on the camera, and we're gonna get it going. Alrighty, guys, man, got that ended up getting that crash bar off, got the tour pack off. Now you guys know I prefer this look without the tour pack. It just looks way better, man. Loving this thing already. Definitely gonna throw the black wheels on here, see how those things shine up with this with these black pipes and everything. Looks really good though, man. I can't wait. I'm excited. I'm probably about to wipe this joint down, get it a little bit more clean in detail. Because if you look close, got stuff like that, man, still dirty. Still got to get into detail with some stuff, like even up here with the bugs and all that good stuff, man. So definitely gonna have to do a chrome treatment on this. Now that I think about it, I'll probably just do the whole chrome treatment tomorrow. But we'll see, man. What y'all think about it so far? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. So I guess we can try to turn this thing on. I don't know if it's gonna fire up or what. Let's see. Battery just gotta be dead. Yeah, we'll probably try to see if we can get something going with this battery jump real quick and get this thing started here. Hang on a hot sec. Let's see if we got something now, man. My God, that thing is sounding crazy. Oh my God, bruh. Golly. Now that's nuts. Hold up, dog. Oh my God. Woo. Shit. Golly, what y'all think? That thing sounds amazing. Let your boy know. Trying not to get this thing. That thing sounds crazy. Yeah, at least we know it's starting now. I'm digging. I'm probably about to take it on a little ride or something around the building. I can't even resist, y'all. Hold up. I can't even resist. Oh my God, this thing sounds freaking amazing, guys. I can't even hold you, man. This thing sounds incredible. Incredible, dog. Incredible. Like the pipes on this thing, these CVOs, like the 110s, oh my God, they just sound so freaking lovely, man. I love the way this thing sounds, man. That thing sounds so freaking great. Like stock to stock, 107 M8 to a 110 Screaming Eagle. I'm going with the 110 Screaming Eagle all day, man. This thing is freaking legit. I love it, and I can't wait till tomorrow so we can throw these black wheels on there and get this thing looking that much better, get the chrome treatment going. And then we do have our chrome lowers in for our 21. So we might be able to tackle that tomorrow as well. And then our 2020 is up for giveaway. We literally only got about 50 wallets or so, man. So head over to everythingsregular.com. So head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy you an Everything's Regular wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We are just about ready to give away our 2020. As for these three, they are heading out within the next day or so. So I can't wait to get these out so we can scoop these back and get it going. Meanwhile, can't wait to ride this thing for the first time. Seems like it's pretty legit. Just took it around the complex. Does seem, like I said, pretty legit, man. The pipes on this thing is freaking amazing. This 110 sounds just ridiculous, dog. So really can't wait for that. But we gonna get it in, man. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We headed all the way to Phoenix today to pick up this wonderful CVO Harley. That thing is sounding amazing, guys. Like, oh, this is the cheapest CVO I've ever got, and it was like definitely worth it just with the sound alone. Really just does it for me, man, because you can't even get that out of the brand new 2021 Harley Road Glide Special. You can't get that sound without going like HPI or like some $1,900 crazy exhaust on it, man. This thing sounds amazing, so I can't wait to get that first ride on this thing, man. Meanwhile, we got our 2020 back there up for giveaway, so if you guys haven't entered for that, head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy your Everything's Regular wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Our 2021, we did get the lowers for it today, so we do have the chrome lowers in. Tomorrow we should be able to switch that out. This one's up for giveaway, and like I said, these three are heading out within the next day. So wait on our shipper, but they will be out of here this week. Can't wait, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let me know what y'all think about the beautiful freaking red flame gang Harley, man. Let me know in the comments below. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.